Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Oberlo, a look back and alternatives, my dropshipping history review. Oberlo, a look back and alternatives, my dropshipping history review focuses on the now defunct dropshipping platform, Oberlo, and explores its history, impact on the dropshipping landscape, and viable alternatives now that it's gone. This is targeted towards entrepreneurs, particularly beginners, interested in or currently practicing dropshipping who are looking for alternative solutions or want to understand Oberlo's legacy. Key discussion points likely include alternative platforms, strategies, and best practices for dropshipping. Their website, or articles referencing Oberlo, provides details on Oberlo's rise and fall and likely covers the benefits and drawbacks of various alternative platforms. This review aims to offer a comprehensive understanding of the dropshipping ecosystem post-Oberlo, potentially comparing the ease of use, pricing models, and feature sets of different platforms. The overall goal is to equip viewers with the knowledge to make informed decisions about their dropshipping businesses. Now, let's talk about my personal experience exploring Oberlo, a look back and alternatives, my dropshipping history review. Since Oberlo no longer exists, my experience centered around researching its features and functionality through archived web pages and user reviews, then comparing them to currently available platforms. Initially, I focused on understanding Oberlo's appeal, its seamless integration with Shopify, the product import process, and its automated order fulfillment. I specifically looked into how easy it was for beginners to get started with Oberlo before it shut down. Then, I shifted my focus to alternatives, like Spocket and AliExpress, experimenting with their interfaces and features. I found Spocket's product sourcing and higher quality suppliers particularly interesting, while AliExpress's vast product catalog offered a different advantage. I even tested listing a few products on a test store using each platform. Spocket was definitely quicker to set up, but AliExpress gave me more product options. Performance-wise, both platforms were generally reliable, though I noticed slight differences in shipping times depending on the supplier. I didn't have any major issues requiring customer support, but based on online forums, response time seemed to vary between platforms. One minor drawback I found with some of these platforms was the occasional difficulty in communicating with certain suppliers. The standout feature for me, when looking at Spocket, was definitely the focus on US and EU suppliers, allowing for faster shipping times. Overall, while I'm nostalgic for Oberlo's simplicity, exploring these alternatives has given me a solid grasp of the current dropshipping landscape and what options are available. That's my overview of Oberlo, a look back and alternatives, my dropshipping history review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.